Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locating the unwanted message and isolating it so it can't distract you further. Once the conversation is open, use the message or contact menu to choose report or mark as spam. This notifies the provider and can train filters. Next, block the sender's number or profile so new messages from that source stop arriving. Doing these steps immediately reduces noise and starts the automated cleanup process, making subsequent steps simpler and faster to complete. Once the sender is blocked, delete the conversation and remove any attached media to free space and remove malicious links. Then go into app or account settings and tighten spam filters, turn on auto-filtering, enable trusted contacts, or add keywords to an auto-block list. Make sure to scan your blocked list for false positives and restore legitimate contacts. Doing this middle work secures your account and prevents future spam, while ensuring you don't accidentally lose important messages. To finish, harden your account so spam can't easily return. Enable two-factor authentication, tighten privacy so only contacts can message you, and activate carrier or app-level spam protection. Make sure your apps and OS are updated. Patches often fix spam vulnerabilities. If spam still appears, clear app cache, reset messaging settings, or contact support with message samples. One key troubleshooting tip: if messages bypass filters, temporarily set messaging to contacts only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.